Hi, I'm Tyler with Powernail Company. Today I'd like to introduce you to our Model 50M Flex Power Nailer. This nailer drives an 18 gauge L-shaped cleat nail in lengths from 1 3/4 to 1 1/4 inches long. This tool is designed to install domestic, exotic, and engineered species of wood floors. This tool features Powernail's Flex Foot and allows you to adjust from 3/8 of an inch up to 3/4 of an inch flooring. This tool is fully manual, which means it does not require an air compressor to operate.